Huh? So, do you have guard turkeys? Alright, we done. The birds on the front porch, the swallows. This is just the very beginning of droppings mud balls that they're bringing in. It's just going to be a mess. Here's the nest. They built this nest in just a few days out of mud, sticks, and straw. I need some answers. What do you all think? Put up with the mess and get an interesting video series going, or clean this thing? If you've been around a while, you know to hit the thumbs up button. It helps my channel move along, and I need all the help I can get. Alright, we just finished up dinner, and we're going to make ourselves a special little treat tonight for dessert. Y'all remember, who's old enough to remember the Good Humor ice cream truck? When I was little, you know, 5, 6, 7 years old, and you could hear that bell ringing way down the street. Gave you enough time to get in the house, scrounge up some change, and stand in line and wait for the ice cream truck. Right? Popsicles were a nickel. Good Humors. Oh man, ice cream sandwiches on a hot summer day. Well, one of my favorite was a creamsicle. Oof. It had vanilla ice cream on the inside, and orange crust on the outside. It was delicious. All right, me and Miss Steph were in the kitchen, and we're going to make ourselves not a root beer float, but an orange float. It's going to be like that creamsicle we used to get off the ice cream truck. Miss Steph, you remember that creamsicle?
Yes, I do.
Remember that ice cream truck?
Yes, I do.
Check that out. That's some good ice cream right there. It's old-fashioned vanilla. We're going to need that. Vanilla ice cream, I love it. Okay.
Don't shake it.
It's Hank's Orange Soda. It's the real deal. It's the old stuff. It's hard to find. It's the 25th anniversary. Gourmet Orange Cream Soda. Now here, if you put the soda in first, then the ice cream, it doesn't flow up. Ain't gonna hurt it. And this is what we're gonna call an orange float. Oh, I gotta get ice cream on that. Yeah, that soda kind of melted some of the ice cream, left the ice there. That's excellent. All right, this is Tailgate Productions. We're signing out.